Welcome to Variety is the Spice of Life. Have you ever tasted authentic Amritsari Chole at a roadside dhaba in Punjab and wondered why your homemade version never tastes quite the same? The secret isn't just the spices, it's the cooking technique, the ingredients, and a few traditional tricks that generations of Punjabi families have perfected. In today's video, I'll show you what makes authentic Amritsari Chole so special, the ingredients you simply shouldn't skip, and the techniques that transform ordinary chickpeas into a rich, dark, restaurant style masterpiece. If you'd like the complete recipe, ingredient list, measurements, and additional expert tips, you'll find the detailed blog post linked in the description below. So let's begin our delicious journey to the streets of Amritsar. What makes Amritsari Chole so special? Many people believe Chole Masala and Amritsari Chole are the same dish, but they are actually very different. Regular chana masala usually has a reddish gravy and a lighter flavor. Authentic Amritsari Chole, on the other hand, is known for its deep brown color, smoky aroma, rich spices, and bold tangy taste. Its roots go back to the vibrant food culture of Amritsar, where generations of street vendors and Punjabi families have perfected this iconic dish. What makes it unforgettable isn't just one ingredient, it's the perfect harmony of whole spices, slow cooking, and traditional techniques passed down through generations. Choosing the right ingredients. Every great Amritsari chole begins with one important decision: choosing the right chickpeas. Always use dried Kabuli chana, soaked overnight. They become creamy inside while still holding their shape beautifully after cooking. Equally important are the whole spices: black cardamom, bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon, peppercorns, and dried red chilies. Slowly infuse the chickpeas with layers of flavor while they cook. These aren't optional extras, they're the very foundation of authentic Punjabi cooking. The secret behind the famous dark color, one thing everyone notices about Amritsari Chole is its beautiful dark brown color. Surprisingly, this color doesn't come from extra chili powder or artificial coloring. The traditional secret is wonderfully simple. While pressure cooking the chickpeas, Punjabi cooks add black tea bags or dried amla. The tannins naturally darken the chickpeas while adding subtle earthy notes that beautifully complement the spices. It's a small step, but one that makes a huge difference. Building layers of flavor, now comes the heart of the recipe, the masala. Start by slowly cooking finely chopped onions until they become deeply golden brown. Don't rush this stage. Next comes fresh ginger, garlic, and ripe tomatoes. Cook everything patiently until the oil separates from the masala. This process, called bunoing, concentrates every flavor and creates the rich gravy that coats each chickpea beautifully. This is where restaurant quality taste is born. The magic of homemade chole masala, the soul of Amritsari chole, lies in its spice blend. Roasted coriander, cumin, black pepper, black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and fennel create incredible depth. Then come flavor boosters like dried mango powder, pomegranate seed powder, and dried ginger. These ingredients balance heat, tanginess, and earthiness perfectly. Even if you choose a ready made masala, adding a few freshly roasted spices can elevate the dish dramatically. Slow simmering creates the magic. Once the boiled chickpeas meet the prepared masala, the real transformation begins. Instead of rushing, allow the curry to simmer gently for at least 20 minutes. The chickpeas slowly absorb every spice while the gravy thickens naturally. If needed, lightly mash a few chickpeas into the gravy. This simple restaurant trick creates the rich, creamy consistency without adding any cream or thickener. Patience truly rewards you here. Finishing touches that make all the difference. Great cooking often comes down to the final few minutes. A spoonful of hot ghee with cumin seeds and red chili powder creates an aromatic finishing tempering. Crushed kasuri methi adds beautiful depth. Fresh ginger juliennes, chopped coriander, and a squeeze of lemon brighten every bite. These finishing touches balance the richness and give your Amritsari chole its unmistakable Punjabi character. Serving like a true Punjabi feast, authentic Amritsari chole deserves equally delicious companions. Serve it with fluffy buttery kulchas, or crispy puris. Add sliced onions, green chilies, pickled onions, and a chilled glass of lassi for the complete Punjabi experience. And here's a bonus tip: Amritsari chole actually tastes even better the next day. As it rests, the spices continue to develop, making every bite richer and more flavorful. Authentic Amritsari chole isn't about following a recipe blindly. It's about understanding the ingredients, respecting the cooking process, and allowing every spice to contribute its unique flavor. Once you've mastered these simple techniques, you'll be able to recreate that unforgettable Punjabi Dhaba experience right in your own kitchen. If you'd like the complete written recipe, ingredient measurements, printable instructions, and many more cooking tips, be sure to visit our blog. The direct link is available in the description below. And if you enjoy content that celebrates the richness of life, from delicious vegetarian recipes and fitness motivation to astrology, timeless music, and inspiring stories, you'll feel right at home here on Variety is the spice of life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, variety truly is the spice of life.